Here's how you can make a Copycat Walker's shortbread that might just taste better than the real deal. First, use an electric mixer to cream softened unsalted butter. If you don't have an electric mixer, you could use a wooden spoon instead. Next, add 90 grams of powdered sugar and beat again until combined. In case you're wondering, icing or confectioner's sugar are just other names for powdered sugar, so use whatever you have. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is optional but recommended because it adds a wonderful flavor to the shortbread that really elevates it. Once that's combined, it's time to add about 1/3 of your flour, which you will add gradually, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend the flour in, adding more and mixing until it's all incorporated. Using a rubber spatula or your hands, remove the dough from the bowl and gently knead it a few times on a clean surface until it forms into a ball. Transfer to a 9x13 baking sheet that's been greased and lined with parchment paper, double the width of the tray. Press the dough into a rough rectangle, then fold over the excess parchment paper and use a rolling pin or glass to push the dough into the shape of the pan in one even layer. Remove the top layer of parchment paper and cut it away, making sure to leave about 1 to 2 inches of overhang on both sides. Place in a preheated 325-degree oven for 20 minutes. When you remove it, work quickly to slice the sheet of shortbread into long rectangles. An easy way to do this is to cut in half lengthwise, then cut those halves in half and so on until you have 8 very long rectangles. Now rotate the tray and cut into thirds. Next, use a fork to poke holes all along the top of the shortbread. This is what's going to give it that classic Walker's look. Return to the oven to finish cooking, then turn it off and crack the door to allow the shortbread to cool in the oven for 1 hour. These are flaky, buttery, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious. You've got to try them. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.